Number 2, you're going to solve the following system of equations graphically. Then you're going to state the coordinate of that solution. Let's do A. Okay. So the first one, I'm going to make this the color blue. All right. So this is y equals to x plus 8. Here the y-intercept is 8. B equals to 8. So you go to up to 8. It's right here. Now you look at the slope, which is m. The slope is right here in front of the x. It's 1, 1. So that means you go up 1 across 1, up 1 across 1. So it looks like it's this line. So then you can make a line. Okay? That's how the line would look like, the best that you can. And then let's do the second one. I'm going to make that in red. Here, the b, which is the y-intercept, is -4, so we go to -4 right here. The slope is m is equal to -2 over 1. This means you go down 2. So go down 2, then you go right 1. So it's like that. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Okay? And then here you go. Then you try to connect this the best that you can. I think it looks like this one, right? Yeah, okay. And then the intersection should be the solution. And it looks like the point here that the intersection is -4. So -4 comma 5. All right, so that looks like the solution, okay? If not, you can just plug into Desmos to double check. All right, so let's do the next one. I'm gonna make the B one on top, which is green. Here, the B is -8. That is the y-intercept. So here is -8. The slope now is the one in front. So that is -1 over 5. This means you go down 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You can repeat the process. Down 1 across 5. Down 1, 2, down 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then we can connect it best that you can. There you go. And then you have, let's see, the bottom one, I'm gonna make purple. Here the y-intercept is -4. B equals to -4. So you start here at -4, then you look at the slope. M is equal to 3 over 5. This means you go up 3, right 5. So up 3, 1, 2, 3, across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then you can now connect it. Make sure you extend the line. All right. Once you extended the line, you look at its intersection. This looks like the intersection right here. That looks like the point -5 comma -7. The last one, make the top one orange. This is the B, which is the y-intercept, is -6. So you start at the -6. Look at the slope. The slope is -1 over 2. This means you go down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. Now you connect it with a line. Here is your line. Then the bottom one, let's make that no, orange. Yeah, let's make this let's make that brown. Okay, the slope is, the y-intercept is 6, so we start here at 6. The y-intercept here is 6. That's why you start at 6. Then you look at the slope, which is 1. M, which is 1, which is really 1 over 1. That means up 1 across 1, up 1 across 1, up 1 across 1. Then you can now connect it. There you go. Looks a little bit off because the graph is off. So it looks like it intersects right there. -8 comma -2, I believe. Okay. All right. So make sure you graph it correctly, and you should find the intersection. Okay. Worst comes to worst, you could always double check on Desmos here. All right, so graph it, then find the intersection, which is going to be the solution.